It was Christmas morning. While most of the neighborhood was unwrapping gifts and sipping coffee, a moving truck sat outside a small brick home at the end of the cul-de-sac. Inside lived Mr. Thompson, 90 years old, Korean War veteran, quiet, kept to himself. Flag always folded perfectly on his porch. The HOA president had been targeting him for months. She claimed his holiday decorations violated community aesthetic standards. A small wooden nativity scene, an American flag, a faded wreath. She issued fines, then more fines. When he didn't respond fast enough, confused by paperwork and legal wording, she escalated. On December 25th, citing unpaid penalties and non-compliance, she authorized eviction proceedings through aggressive HOA enforcement clauses buried deep in their bylaws. But here's what she didn't expect. Mr. Thompson's nephew was an attorney, and the eviction notice had procedural errors all over it. Improper service, inflated fines, no lawful hearing, and most importantly, federal and state protections for elderly residents and veterans had been ignored. By January, the case was in court. The judge reviewed the timeline, escalating fines over minor decorations. Pressure tactics. Eviction executed on Christmas Day. The courtroom went silent. The ruling came swiftly. The eviction was voided. The HOA was ordered to reinstate possession immediately. Damages were awarded for emotional distress and unlawful enforcement. Legal fees stacked high. Then came the personal liability portion. The HOA president had acted beyond board authority, bypassing required votes and misrepresenting enforcement rights. The judge referred the matter for further review of abuse of power and discriminatory enforcement. Within months, she resigned. Insurance refused full coverage due to intentional misconduct. The neighborhood she once controlled now questioned every rule she ever passed. Meanwhile, Mr. Thompson returned home. The nativity scene went back up. The wreath returned to the door. And the American flag remained, perfectly folded at dusk. Some mistakes cost money. Others cost reputation. But targeting a 90-year-old veteran on Christmas? That cost her everything.